Alright, so Zach just called me. He said he's on his way to Mexico and I'm gonna go meet him over there. So let's do it. Haven't driven the Whipple S550 in a little while, so here she is. Let's go head over to Mexico. Just in case you guys have forgot, this car is incredibly loud. Incredibly loud. So crazy. What up? About time this car got cleaned. Zach with the Camaro, Dylan, and Dylan's friend.
At Tilbor. What's up, bro?
What up?
Dog?
What up?
I'm Ian, man. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
We
you.
met before.
Yeah, we met at Turkey Rod Run, I think.
Sir.
I'm Frank.
Andrew, nice to meet you.
This is the old, I hear you got one of these too.
Oh yeah.
Check it out, dude. Put all the light on it. Just a little daily driver, dude. Built it in Atlanta. Daily drove it back and forth from Volusia to
Sick,
here.
it's dual alternator?
No, just single.
Really?
Yeah.
That's not an alternator?
No, sir.
Damn.
That's what, that's actually what you have to do to replace the AC.
Oh, that's a AC power charger, right?
Exactly, dude.
Sick.
For that real cold AC.
Oh, nice. I like. I was gonna bring this, but then I brought that.
It's on radio.
So.
Well, let's
Thank you for bringing
That's-
that. I'm so glad you finally brought that.
To all his viewers, that's a lot more fun.
Oh, so these are a little bit less JDM.
Yeah, party set version 2.
These are the same ones I have on the Cobra.
Look at how clean these are, though. Look at
Oh,
how-
wait, I didn't see the red. Wow.
That's right, baby.
Okay.
Ooh.
Never mind. They still are JDM.
I mean, listen, you can throw a color in. You know, thinking about highlighter yellow next.
No.
Lower springs.
Just springs.
With some springs and some really nice, well-fitted wheels and tires. Oh,
Oh. Hello there.
whale.
Well, hello there.
What is that?
That is a Whipple 2.9 liter supercharger.
With what size pulley on it now?
It's a 3.6.
Oh, okay.
It's only like 12 pounds of boost.
The hood comes up so quick with these things.
Yeah, them hood struts.
I need to get those.
It's just a mild 740 wheel.
Just a mile.
This thing would just.
It's Ashley's daily driver.
I rode in the guy with the blue Mustangs. Like it's just on base Whipple tune, but it was still pretty crazy. Wasn't nearly as violent as the Terminator. The Terminator.
Did you
was
hear me
insane.
rolling up?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
From far away, we were like, "Oh my God, he brought the cool car!"
All right, Dylan, let it rip, tater chip. Hey, by the way, it's not 2000.
Okay, that was something. That was something. Let's reset here. Reset here. Give it another try. Give it
This is your
another try.
second send in this thing?
Yes. Well, I tried another one the other night, but.
Yeah. Oh, careful, careful. You were getting it. You just you let off the gas and then it strained out.
Okay. Okay.
But
I'll try. I'll
You did
try
the right
one
thing.
more little guy for now.
all right, turbo 2-valve action. I like it. I like it.
Drift turbo 2-valve, not race turbo 2-valve.
Yeah, it's got sway bars. Mine doesn't. I want to drive it so bad.
I got hit in the mouth with a piece of rubber.
I got hit in the eye. Why does this sound so much different than
Right?
mine? Sounds different,
it's got
right?
exhaust routed like
Oh, rip! What the heck? That
Oh, you're
cone
fine.
sounded gnarly.
Didn't it? No, bro, you're fine. You're fine. Yeah.
Oh, is your fender loose? Yeah, it just hit your fender and banged it like that.
The fender's already kind of like that. It's fine. What? Wait. I found a better spot. Back.
Does that bother you?
No.
Sick.
Feel it out first.
Dylan's car always getting robbed.
Alright. Hold on, he's got.
It's off already.
Does it not change the steering mode still? Put it
Oh
on
yeah, you can
comfort.
change it.
He always thinks I'm weird, dude, but I like comfort. Dude, it just comes around so easy.
Back behind the wheel of the old stallion.
Oh, you know, man.
It's gonna roast your tires. It'll roast your tires real quick. It's fun, but just, you know, if you want to drift,
I got you.
go a little wide, because that'll just roast them real quick. Remember, kids, safety first. They're losing grip.
Yeah, they're done.
You got new tires though, right?
Yep. You know it.
Not bad. I'm working on those transitions, trying to get them better. They're losing grip.
I see like chunks of rubber flying off.
that practice.
Yeah, these tires aren't the best for all that.
Bye, people. Do it again. Yeah. Alright, back to the old Whipple S550. No tire burning action for this bad boy tonight. You gotta be easy on the Mickey Thompsons. Gotta drive on those.